Okay, so we're here in Biddulph near Staffordshire installing a easy glass view set today. It's a frameless Juliet balcony system designed to fix directly into the window frames. Gives a seamless kind of finish, structural glazing with no handrail, so there's no real hardware on show. We've done that by powder coating the frames of the Juliet balcony to match the door frames. The benefit is definitely the products. You know, the products we find, the Curalium ones, are superior to all the other competitors purely because they're design focused and structurally strong. But design is a big part of the reason why a lot of architects and clients specify the Curalium product. Curalium products perform a lot better than the competitors and lends themselves to the architecture of a lot of the houses that we install these products on. So it's definitely a better looking product than what's out there on the market.